when it comes to finally adopting open banking and integrating these open APIs, what have been some of the challenges facing institutions?
I think the biggest challenge that we've seen is banks thinking they've done it. You know, I've got a tick box here, I've got open banking. And we challenge them and say, great, fantastic, what are you doing? How are you embracing open banking? Oh, I've got an open banking strategy. What does it do? What does it drive for you? And what we're finding is this is where the bank's strategy really needs to be questioned. Why are you doing this? Is it just for regulatory compliance? Which is fine, but what happens if you stretch those boundaries a bit? What happens if you do a bit more? What happens if you embrace more change? What can you do? What can you do to acquire new customers? What can you do to reduce churn? What can you do to leverage new products into your existing customers? So for me, the real crux of this is business. It's getting business more involved in this open banking strategy. The product owners at the banks, you know, whether they're involved in insurance or wealth management or other aspects of financial planning, to actually say, no, I want my products and services to be more accessible to my bank's customers or to my third-party partners' customers as well. Again, there's lots of rich products and data that banks have which can be very viable, which can be very useful for other companies to use, to share. Again, bearing in mind we're in a GDPR compliant world and therefore everything has to be monitored and measured. We understand that permissions have to be given. But I think that the end scenario here isn't just compliance. The end scenario here is, what's it doing for me?